Hello there, welcome to this tutorial on indices and logarithms. In this video, we'll be looking at simultaneous equations involving indices and logarithms. This tutorial is brought to you by Digital Mathematician. So we have the problem here. Given that 3 raised to the power 2x minus 3y is equal to 243 and log x to base y is equal to 2, find the values of x and of y. What we do here is we are going to express this in index form. Since this is already in index form, this first part is already in index form, we are going to express 243 in index form. So our solution will be 3 raised to the power 2x minus 3y is equal to 3 raised to the power 5, because 243 is 3 raised to the power 5. So since the bases are equal, the indices are also equal. So we are going to have 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. We then call this one equation 1. Then we go to the second equation. The second equation is log x to base y is equal to 2. And remember the law of logarithm, or the relationship that exists between indices and logarithm, that if log m to base n is equal to a, then m is equal to n raised to the power a. So this is what we are going to apply in this problem. In this case, our x is m, our y is n, and our 2 is a. So we're going to have it now as x is equal to y raised to the power 2. So we then call this one equation 2. We now put equation 2 in equation 1. Wherever we see x in equation 1, we put y squared. So that's going to give us 2y squared minus 3y is equal to 5. I'm going to rearrange it to form a standard form of a quadratic equation, so that we have 2y squared minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. I'm going to apply factoring method to solve the problem, so that we are going to have, if we factorize this, we are going to have 2y minus 5 into y plus 1, then is equal to 0, which means 2y minus 5 is equal to 0 and y plus 1 is equal to 0, since the product is equal to 0. So our y here is 5 over 2, which is 2.5, and our y is negative 1. So what we have done here is the values of y. We then go back to equation 2 to get the values of x by substituting the values of y. So we said there is x is equal to y squared. Then I go back to when y is equal to 2.5, our x is 2.5 squared, and 2.5 squared is 6.25. We have the first set of values of x and y there. Then the next one is when y is negative 1, x is negative 1 squared, and that will give us 1. So we've gotten another pair of values. Therefore, the values of x and y are, the first value is 6.25 comma 2.5. That means when x is 6.25, y is 2.5. And the second value will be Okay, and the second value when x is 1, that is 1 comma negative 1. When x is 1, y is negative 1. And that's all for the solution of this problem, because we have been able to find the values of x and of y. And that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share this video. Also remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Digital Mathematician. See you again in our next lesson. Goodbye.